Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we'll explore the various sections on the dashboard of Rassasy. We've covered the POS section in the previous tutorial. And now we'll dive into the remaining sections. Let's start with the Group section. Click on the Group button, and you can create product groups. Simply click the Add Product Group button. Type in the group name, select a category, e.g., kitchen, add a description if needed, and click the green tick. Your created group is now visible, and you can search for it on the left side. Moving on to the Products section, click on the Products button. To add a product, click the Add Product button. If you need a photo of the product, we can add it above. We can select vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Then enter the product name, select a group, provide a description. Set sales and purchase prices, select tax type, and click the green tick. You can search for your product on the left side. Now, let's explore the Customer section. Click on the Customer button and then Add Customer. Enter customer details such as name, display name, balance, date, email, phone number, website URL, address, transaction details, credit period, price category, PAN number, credit limit, routes, CR number, treatment, tax number, bank details, bank name, account number, IBAN, IFSCE code. Click the green tick, and you can search for customers on the left side. In the Report section, click on the Report button. Select report type, table, provide from and to dates, and click Get Report to view the report. For managing taxes, go to the Tax section, click Add Tax, enter tax details, and click the green tick. You can search for taxes on the left side. Explore the Flavor section by clicking the Flavor button. Select your desired flavor and save. In the Invoices section, click the Invoice button. Choose from and to dates to access the required invoice. That's a wrap. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.